Right guys, we've got hold of the Nextbase 422 GW. This is a QHD video with 2.5-inch viewing screen, GPS inside, Wi-Fi so you can transfer your data to your phone. It also has Bluetooth. Emergency response, if you have a crash, it would say to the emergency services where you're located and your personal details like your blood type. It also has Alexa, which means you can voice control to start recording everything. Inside, Nextbase warranty and details and a quick start guide. Seems quite thick. It's all in English. Have all the cables in here. Sticky thing to go onto the screen. Power cable to go into the cigarette lighter. Another lead for data transfer to the computer. Another bracket, this is part to do with mounting on the screen. A mini sort of crowbar device lifting. Not sure what this is for, but I'm sure when you find that you need it, you will know. And lastly, the actual dash cam. The actual dash cam. Now I've had one of these before and it actually had a reverse camera on, which I think was on the back screen. But this is, I think it was about that wide. So this is so small and compact, which is ideally means that it'll be harder to spot if someone looks at your car from a little bit of a distance to see if you've got a camera. They won't probably see it. It's pretty good. So we have a touch screen on this. It's covered with this protective cover at the moment, which has also got instructions saying to charge for a full 2 hours before use. And that you can download the Nextbase app to help manage and set up details. So you'll need the USB cable, which on the top of the cam will plug into there, and then you can charge that. It's not USB B or C, it's its own proprietary type. You just plug the cable in there, and then the other end into your USB adapter, power, laptop, whichever you've got. I'm plugging mine into my electric recliner sofa, and once it does that, it then powers up, and on comes the screen. Then you just need to go through the settings, and pretty straightforward. To enable Alexa emergency SOS, you need to connect this to your smartphone. For setting up Alexa, you need to be in the vehicle to do that. And to take this into the vehicle, you need to remove this little cardboard cover. And then with your fixing bracket that goes onto the screen, there's the connector there. You just need to line that up. And it's almost magnetic. It's just falling in place really easy. So now that's got the bracket on it, and can be fixed in the car. Once it's in the car, you can then connect your Alexa and go through the rest of the settings.